Get him, boy.
Where'd it go? I don't see it anywhere.
Where'd he go?
Here it is.
Get him, boy.
A freaking grasshopper.
Oop. Don't squish him. Get him, boy. What is that? Oh, you gonna play with him and go to sleep and take a nap with him? Get him, boy.
He's almost killed him.
Oh!
It's right here.
He wants to play.
He just crushed him with his neck.
Ew.
He crushed him with his neck.
Get him, boy.
I just have to puddle water. Sparky, get him. Come on. Come on, go get him. You got him. Go get him. Get him, boy.
You gonna get it?
You gonna get it? Oof. Oof. What is it?
What is that, Sparky? What is it? Is he moving?
Yeah. Slowly.
Get him, boy.
Right here. Sparky. Killed it.
Oh. He's so funny.
I've been uploading videos daily now.
Is that your dessert from dinner?
I've been uploading videos like crazy on him.
Wow.
This is like my third one in 3 days. I've been uploading them daily.
Did he eat it?
No, it fell. And also, I can't figure out how to download, record things on Pixel then, so I might not be posting those for a while.
Where'd it go, Sparky? Where'd he go?
It's gone! You want to leave instead? Oh my god, he actually...
Ew.
You know, actually, Daddy,
Hey, Sparky.
every YouTuber I watch except for one has a dog.
Wow.
And the one I know that doesn't have a dog is Papa Mimo's, and he has a cat that just died.
Aw.
Its name was Kitty.
Well, that's kind of different.
He's not very good at naming things.
Sparky's so cute. He needs to go on a diet.
I know.
What you looking for, Sparky? Hey, Sparky. Sparky. Can you
Oh,
speak?
Sparky, can you say Ben? Say Ben.
Can you speak?
Say Ben. Can you say Ben? Oh. Hello. Hello. Oh, Daddy Longleg. Try to get that to him.
Where is he?
Right next to your head. Get that to the dog. Sparky. Get him. Where'd he go? Longleg. Daddy Longleg. Daddy Longleg. Woof. 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 Oi. His tooth just hit me in my tooth.
Ow. Hey, Sparky.
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 Sparky, look at the camera. Sparky, look in the camera. Sparky, you look at the camera? I think he just wants to amuse everyone.
Huh?
I think he just wants to amuse everyone.
Yeah. All right.